10 Destinations for Relaxation and Rejuvenation. Hey, travel enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're taking you on a journey to 10 incredible destinations that promise relaxation and rejuvenation. The most relaxing place to go, however, depends on your personal preference. For some, a relaxing vacation might mean soaking up the sun on a tropical beach, while for others it might mean following a trail on a windy coastline with few other people in sight. No matter where you go, you're bound to find a place that's dedicated to your tranquility. So, grab your virtual passports and join us as we explore these havens of tranquility. Hawaii. There are many relaxing places in Hawaii, but Kauai is particularly special. Known as the Garden Island, here you can find empty beaches like Lumahai Beach, as well as breathtaking landscapes like the vast Waimea Canyon State Park. You can also book a sunset cruise of the Nepali coast with a tour company like Holo Holo Charters to appreciate the island's unique geology from the water. To help you make your vacation the most relaxing possible, there are many wonderful resorts on the island like Koloa Landing, where you can enjoy sprawling grounds and spacious rooms and suites big enough for the whole family. Cape Elizabeth, Maine. Nestled along the rugged coast of southern Maine, Cape Elizabeth unfolds as a serene coastal gem, combining timeless charm with maritime grace. At the heart of this picturesque town lies the iconic Portland Headlight, historic lighthouse perched majestically on the rocky shores, guiding ships with its enduring beacon. The surrounding Fort Williams Park invites visitors to explore not only the rich maritime history but also to savor the scenic beauty of the Atlantic coastline. With its walking trails, grassy meadows, and the captivating silhouette of the lighthouse against the vast sea, the park is a haven for both history enthusiasts and nature lovers alike. Crescent Beach State Park adds to the town's allure, offering a crescent-shaped stretch of sandy shores, where the rhythmic lull of the waves provides the soundtrack to a leisurely day by the sea. Cape Elizabeth captures the essence of coastal New England, inviting exploration of its historic landmarks, appreciation of natural beauty, and a timeless connection to the sea. Banff National Park, Canada. Nestled in the heart of the Canadian Rockies in Alberta, Banff National Park stands as a testament to the untamed beauty of the North. Encompassing over 6,600 square kilometers of pristine wilderness, the park is a captivating mosaic of towering mountain peaks, turquoise glacial lakes, and dense alpine forests. Lake Louise, with its iconic emerald waters, reflects the majesty of surrounding glaciers and peaks, while Moraine Lake, embraced by the Valley of the Ten Peaks, offers a postcard-perfect alpine scene. The town of Banff, nestled within the park, serves as a gateway to adventure with its charming streets, vibrant cultural scene, and access to the Banff Upper Hot Springs. Wildlife roams freely, with opportunities to spot grizzly bears, elk, and bighorn sheep. Whether hiking the extensive network of trails, driving the Icefields Parkway, or simply taking in the awe-inspiring vistas, Banff National Park immerses visitors in a pristine wilderness that evokes a sense of wonder and reverence for the natural world. East Sussex, England. Nestled along the southeastern coast of England, East Sussex unfolds as a captivating region steeped in history and adorned with diverse landscapes. From the historic charm of the county town, Lewes, with its medieval architecture and bustling markets, to the iconic white cliffs of Beachy Head standing sentinel over the English Channel, East Sussex seamlessly weaves the old and the new. The medieval wonder of Bodiam Castle, surrounded by a moat and nestled amid rolling countryside, stands as a testament to the region's rich heritage. The historic town of Rye, with its cobbled streets and preserved medieval buildings, exudes an undeniable charm. Eastbourne, a classic Victorian seaside resort, invites visitors to stroll along its elegant promenade and relax on its pebble beaches. The South Downs National Park, with its sweeping vistas and scenic trails, offers a retreat into nature's tranquility. With a blend of historic landmarks, coastal beauty, and bucolic countryside, East Sussex is a captivating destination that invites exploration and contemplation of its timeless allure. Nordfjord, Norway. In the scenic tapestry of Norway's west coast, Nordfjord emerges as an enchanting masterpiece of fjordland majesty. Carved by ancient glaciers, this fjord stretches its sinuous arms inland, surrounded by towering mountains that pierce the sky. The deep blue waters reflect the dramatic landscapes, creating a symphony of contrasts between the rugged cliffs and serene fjord depths. The verdant valleys and charming villages along the fjord's edge add a touch of tranquility to the awe-inspiring scenery. Whether exploring the charming coastal town of Molloy, marveling at the cascading waterfalls of Briksdalsbreen Glacier, or simply cruising the fjord's serene waters, Nordfjord captivates with its pristine beauty and a profound connection to the raw forces of nature that have shaped this Norwegian wonder. The Ionian Islands, Greece. Nestled in the azure embrace of the Ionian Sea, off the western coast of Greece, the Ionian Islands beckon with an enchanting blend of myth, history, and natural splendor. Each island, including Corfu, Kefalonia, Zakynthos, and others, possesses a unique character, boasting a tapestry of lush landscapes, sun-drenched beaches, and charming villages. Corfu, adorned with Venetian architecture, resonates with historical grandeur, while Kefalonia's rugged beauty, highlighted by the mesmerizing Melisani Cave, captures the imagination. Zakynthos, famed for the iconic shipwreck beach and its loggerhead sea turtles, offers a postcard-perfect setting. The Ionian Islands are not only a visual feast but a cultural haven, where traditional tavernas, lively festivals, and warm hospitality embody the Greek way of life. With olive groves, crystal-clear waters, and a sense of timelessness, the Ionian Islands invite exploration and promise a journey into the heart of Greece's mythical allure. Provence, France. In the sun-kissed embrace of southeastern France, Provence unfolds as a region steeped in rustic charm and timeless elegance. Endless vineyards stretch across rolling hills, producing some of the world's most renowned wines. The vibrant hues of lavender fields create a visual symphony, especially in the iconic Plateau de Valensole, where the fragrant blooms stretch as far as the eye can see. Picturesque villages, with their pastel-hued facades and narrow cobblestone streets, transport visitors to a bygone era of simple pleasures. Avignon's majestic papal palace and the ancient Roman amphitheater in all stand as testaments to the region's rich history. Provence's culinary scene, bursting with flavors of olive oil, herbs, and fresh produce, invites gastronomic indulgence in bustling markets and quaint bistros. The soothing melody of cicadas, the azure skies, and the Mediterranean's gentle whispers contribute to the ineffable allure of Provence, a destination where every moment resonates with the essence of southern French sophistication and natural beauty. Bali, Indonesia. Nestled in the heart of the Indonesian archipelago, Bali stands as a timeless haven where verdant landscapes, vibrant cultural traditions, and a spiritual ambience converge. With its lush rice terraces, cascading waterfalls, and pristine beaches, the island is a visual symphony of nature's wonders. Ubud, the cultural heart, invites exploration with its traditional markets, art galleries, and the captivating monkey forest. Bali's temples, like the iconic Uluwatu and Tanah Lot, perch on dramatic cliffs, offering not only architectural marvels but also breathtaking sunset views over the Indian Ocean. The island's spiritual essence is palpable, with the fragrant incense of daily offerings and the melodic sounds of traditional gamelan music echoing through the air. Whether engaging in a yoga retreat in the serene Ubud countryside or immersing in the vibrant energy of Seminyaks beaches, Bali captivates visitors with its unique blend of tranquility, cultural richness, and the warm hospitality of its people. Halong Bay, Vietnam. In the northeastern reaches of Vietnam, Halong Bay emerges as a breathtaking masterpiece of natural beauty, seamlessly blending myth with an ethereal seascape. This UNESCO World Heritage Site boasts emerald waters punctuated by thousands of towering limestone karsts and islets, creating a scene straight out of a fairy tale. Legend has it that dragons descended to protect Vietnam, leaving behind limestone formations as they thrashed their tails through the bay, giving rise to its name, which translates to Descending Dragon Bay. Cruising through the bay unveils hidden caves, grottos, and floating fishing villages, providing an immersive journey into the heart of this maritime wonder. The bay's enchanting allure, with its mist-shrouded peaks and tranquil waters, captures the imagination and stands as a testament to the extraordinary beauty that nature can sculpt over centuries. Halong Bay remains not just a destination but a poetic ode to the wonders of the natural world. Kyoto, Japan. Nestled in the heart of Japan, Kyoto stands as a captivating testament to the country's rich cultural heritage and timeless beauty. Home to over 1,000 temples, including the iconic Fushimi Inari Shrine with its vermilion torii gates, Kyoto unfolds as a living canvas of spiritual devotion and architectural marvels. The historic Gion district, with its traditional wooden machiya houses, offers a glimpse into the world of geishas, tea houses, and ancient rituals. Kyoto's serene gardens, such as the Zen-inspired Ryoan-ji and the vibrant Kinkaku-ji with its golden pavilion, provide a tranquil retreat from the bustling cityscape. With each cherry blossom season, Kyoto's parks transform into a sea of pink, creating an ephemeral beauty that encapsulates the essence of Japanese aesthetics. Whether wandering through the historic Higashiyama district or partaking in a traditional tea ceremony, Kyoto invites visitors to step into a bygone era while celebrating the enduring elegance of Japan's cultural tapestry. And there you have it, fellow travelers, 10 destinations that will soothe your soul and rejuvenate your spirit. If you enjoyed this virtual journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more travel inspiration. Until next time, stay relaxed and keep exploring.